Hey, it's me, Chella, and I will show you how to keep yourself healthy. Subscribe. Strength training. This type of resistance exercise helps us build muscle. Maraming benefit ang pagkakaroon ng lean muscles sa katawan, like faster metabolism. Pag kumain tayo at lean ang muscles natin, tinataasan niya ang ating resting metabolic rate. Ito yung calories na nababurn natin habang nagpapahinga at walang ginagawa. Kusa nang ibaburn ng muscles mo ang calories na nakain mo. Here are 5 basic strength training exercises. The push-up, Superman, crunches, side crunches, and squat. Ang pag-workout ay essential, pero aminin na natin, wala tayong hinahanap na oras para gawin to. Pero 10 minutes a day of exercise lang naman ang kailangan mo para makuha ang benefits nito and to be healthy. Diet. There are plenty of nutrients for your body to take in. And kung natural and hindi processed yung kinakain mo, it's a healthier option. Sa simpleng pag-inom ng tubig, malaking tulong na yan sa health mo. Circadian rhythm. A fancy word for our body clock. Ito yung sleep schedule natin na kailangan mo i-maintain. Sleep is very important and maraming health risks ang mapupunta sa'yo kung kulang ka sa tulog. Mental health. As I've said, exercise helps with your mental health. Mas maganda ang mood mo and mas alert ka din. Hindi ka brain dead. I have a pet dog and dogs are really helpful to your mental health. That's all. Thank you.